Namaste. My name is Neenad Patil. I am in 5th standard CBSE pattern. My school name is Ganesh International School. I know about this competition by Neenad Patil Pune organized online video competition during the lockdown period. My project name is Film Projector. Let's do the project. The things we require to make this project are one box, one small pipe attached with magnifier glass, one film strip, one piece of cardboard attached with two pink plastic, one wire, two side holder, bulb holder, and the bulb. We attach all these and bulb holder with bulb. Take the box. We put two holes, one from here and second from here. First, this is big hole and this is small hole. The reason behind it is in the small hole we can put the holder like this, and in the big hole we can put the magnifier glass and the pipe. So I put. Then we have to, this face of the magnifier glass, we have to face the piece of the cardboard of the pink side. Before this we have to attach the strip. The strip is straight, but we do not have to put the strip straight. We have to opposite side, from opposite side. So I put this. This is not going. So I put the ribbon in this. You can see I put opposite side ribbon. So we cut from two holes, from this side and this side, because we can put the ribbon from this side and this side. So we put in this. The ribbon comes from this side and the another ribbon comes from this side in. Then the projector is ready. But see, the projector is ready. But we have to put the bulb in this. I put the bulb. This is my white screen. So I will face to this side. I put the plug and switch on the button. The bulb gets started and we will close the box. We will close the box and then we will close the lights. Then you can see there is animation film seeing on the screen. There is elephant, sea dolphin, giraffe and many things. If you want to see blur, it is blur, and this is clear. This is big audience. Then we will start the light, and thank you. आपल्या देशात कोरोना सारखा एक मोठा व्हायरस आला आहे, म्हणून मी कृपया करून निवेदन करतो की आपल्या घरी बसा. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. बाय बाय.